everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want to show you how to make this adorable thrifted teacup fairy garden. Today I'm taking part in Hillary of Old World Home's $5 Goodwill challenge for spring, and I'm taking it back to my fairy garden days. I loved to make fairy gardens a couple years ago, and when I saw this gorgeous vintage teacup at Value Village, I knew that I wanted to create a little fairy garden in this teacup. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe if you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I share videos 3 times a week, and I would love to have you join us. Special thanks to Hillary of Old World Home for hosting this challenge. I love this challenge because it really causes me to be creative. Make sure to check out her channel. She shares so many brilliant decor and DIY ideas. They're redoing their home and it's looking so good. And check out her playlist to see all of the videos in this $5 Goodwill challenge. Now let me show you how to make an adorable fairy garden in a thrifted teacup.
So I made a little trip to Value Village this week and headed to one of my favorite sections, which is the dishware. I love these vintage styled teacups, and I thought this one was super cute. I loved the roses on here for spring, and I liked the gold detail. It was $5.99, which is pretty close to $5 American for this $5 Goodwill challenge. So first thing I did was I took a little bit of gravel. I found this at Michael's craft store, and I filled up my teacup with the gravel. Next, I found this little faux fairy garden tree at Michael's as well, and I just placed it in the gravel. I'm making everything here movable just in case I want to use this teacup again for actually drinking tea out of, and I thought it would be cute to kind of set up a little tea party in this teacup. So I found this cute little mushroom stools and table at Michael's as well, and I just kind of propped them up in the gravel. Next, I took this reindeer moss and I just put it around the table and the stools, just kind of to look like little mini bushes. Now, everything in this little mini fairy garden is not live, but I have made live fairy gardens before with live plants, and I'll leave a link to those in the description box below. So then I found these teeny tiny little mini teacups and teapot, and I'm just going to use a small dab of glue gun glue to place them on top of my little mushroom table. And I'm just using a really small blob of glue on the bottom of these just in case I want to remove those ever again as well. And then I placed the teacup on the saucer, and I'm taking some more reindeer moss and just placing that around the saucer, around the teacup. I really love this combination of the green of the moss and the beautiful pink on the designs on the teacup. Next, I just found some really thin dogwood trees in our woods on our acreage, and I'm just cutting them to make a teeny tiny fairy ladder. So I cut 2 vertical strips that were about the height of my teacup, and then 4 horizontal strips, and I'm just using my hot glue gun again to glue the horizontal strips to the vertical strips to create a miniature ladder. And finally, I'm just taking a little amount of hot glue once again, putting a couple blobs on the side of my teacup and attaching my DIY twig ladder to the teacup. And that is it. My little fairy garden in a thrifted teacup is finished. This would be really cute as spring decor and a little vignette on a side table, or I also think it would make an adorable gift for someone special, maybe even a gift for Mother's Day or for a housewarming gift.
Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Make sure to check back tomorrow because I have yet another decor idea with some thrifted dishware that I think you guys will really love. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know in the comments below what you think of this little fairy garden in a teacup. I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye.